What's up, guys? I hope you're doing well today. Today's video is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna try a lot of things that I have not a lot of experience in, but we'll give it a go. But throughout the course of my life, I've been very fortunate and blessed to know a lot of people that have given me a lot of thoughtful and meaningful and really awesome birthday presents, Christmas presents, so on and so forth. But one of the best ones and most thoughtful ones that I've ever gotten was this blacksmithing forge. My neighbor made it for me for my 29th birthday, and it's been something I've used over the last couple of years for fun, for trying new things. Blacksmithing, I've been getting into that a lot and really enjoying it. One of the things that is not ideal about it is just how deep the coal box is, and as you can see, it's almost like a foot deep. So what we're going to do today, guys, is we're actually going to take it and make that a lot shallower, maybe 3 or 4 inches, and we'll see how we do. Here we go. Alright, it's the next day, and as you can see, yes, I just got the big part off, and so now the next thing to do is switch out the blades of the angle grinder from a cutting blade to a grinding blade, and we're going to go ahead and remove the rest of this material off so that it's nice and smooth, and then that way we can weld that back onto it. So, next steps. Ground the bottom of the forge smooth and ground the top of the cylinder smooth. Here we go. Alright, so now that we have that all ground out and the right height that we want now for the depth of our coal box, now comes the part I mentioned earlier where I said I don't have much experience in. It's welding. So with that being said, I'll do my best. We'll see how it goes. I've welded before, but I'm no pro at it, so hopefully I can get it to an acceptable weld, and hopefully the welder that I have is good enough for the thickness of this metal, because it's like a 1/4 inch thick. I mean, it's not thin stuff for sure, so we'll see how I do. Alright, so I finished welding it, and so I decided that one of the things I wanted to do, in addition to this, is I wanted to put a little thing on the bottom right here, because ash from the coal box will spill down into it through the air vent slots on the opposite side, and sometimes it'll pile up in here. So what I want to do, and what traditional forges have, is this is actually separate. And then there's a little lever that you can do to push down on it, and then this will open and all the ash will come out. So I went and I bought some hinges. Where'd they go? So that I'm going to go ahead and weld onto that after I go ahead and cut where I want it to be at. And so I got to be careful to go along the edge with or opposite of where the fan attaches to it, which is on the back side. So I got to be careful not to cut into that at all, so that I can put these hinges on it. Alright, so some of you might be thinking, but that's just going to stay open, right? But the idea is when you flip it upside down, gravity is going to keep it closed, because the weight of this on the side of the hinge is going to keep it closed. So that's the idea. So hopefully I did it right, and I guess we're about to find out, because as far as I can think of, this is it that I wanted to do to it. I wanted to shorten the coal box, and I wanted to put a little trap door on the bottom to empty out the ash and dust that collect on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and flip this right side up now, and hopefully this will be there. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so that's it for this project today. I'm very excited about it, because that makes a world of a difference to see how much shallower that was. I think I measured it before and it was 8 inches or whatnot, so it was way too deep. Now it's going to be a lot better, and I'm very excited about this, that it worked exactly how I thought it would was supposed to. So yeah, very excited about that. Again, I want to give a shout out and a thank you to my neighbor who made this again for me for my birthday. It's awesome. I love doing it. I wouldn't be able to do this blacksmithing stuff without it. So thank you. you know who you are. I appreciate it. But yeah, so, and everybody else, thank you guys for watching this video. I very much appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, hit the bell so that you can keep getting notification when I upload a video. So please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. There's a storm a-coming. Can you feel it?